hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Gladys Chimere. Welcome to Glad City Footwear, and here we'll be showing you a lot on shoemaking, tutorials, and even things you will need to know about shoes and all that. So hang on and please click on the subscribe button. Our next tutorial is using this fabric to make a fine lady slipper. So I bought this from our local market, and trust me, it's quality. Now there are quality ones and there are ones that are not really quality, that actually break, but this is a very good quality. So I bought this for this particular project. So what we'll be needing for this slipper is our fabric, a furry fabric. I bought this, is a quarter of it. Bought this too from the market. We'll be needing the rubber sole, our scissors, the shoe last. This one is a palm last. Actually, there's a difference in a palm last and a shoe last. And then we'll be needing leather and of course our hardener and gum. So, and then this is an already cut out stencil. Most times I like cutting out my stencils because I don't like I don't like getting the material and just placing, because I will need to have an accurate measurement on everything and all that. So this is my stencil, but for this tutorial I'm going to be reducing it a little bit. I'm going to be reducing the stencil. I'm going to place this. I'm going to place this on our leather. I told you we will need leather. I'm going to place this on our leather. We'll be using this leather. This leather is used for lining. So get the first leg, you're going to put like this. Then the next leg you're going to draw with a stencil. You're going to turn it over and place it. This side will now be facing the ground, so that you will get a right leg and a left leg, since our legs are not the same. Else your stencil, or your sandal or your palm will not balance well. So this palm is actually size 41, and this stencil can be used for size 41 to 40, let's say 44, 43, size 41 to 43. So that's how stencils are. So I'm just going to cut out. You don't want to cut out in a rough manner, so you're going to be as careful as possible. So I'm going to join them together equal, for the edges to be equal, so that I'm going to know if it's accurate or not. And here we guess. So after bending it together, I find out that there is an excess, so I'm going to cut out this excess. On the front and the shoe rest. The enemies gather, when them gather round and round, they don't bother, they don't bother, they don't bother me. Even when them scatter fire, all around this fire burning, it won't touch me, no, it won't touch me. we want it to look like, then the fur will now be. That is it. So here we go. Our palm is almost set. So see it? Okay. So here you go. This is how I wanted the shape to be. This is how I wanted the shape to be. So I cut it this way. So after marking, I'll have to cut it. So here are my two babies. So we are done with the leather. Okay, so here they are, left and the right leg all complete. So here we are, we have the two, and this is the major work I can see in this palm. So the next thing we're going to do is placing our fur on top of this leather. This is the fur. You're going to take notes on the side that you want. Okay, I don't want it to be all sleeping in front, my palm to face like this. I want the furs, these black tips, to be facing the front of the leg like this. So I'm going to cut out in that manner. So what I'll just do is go ahead and apply gum on this, and then place, and I can trim out. Okay. So he's my rock and he's my shit. Now I know that I'm he's my helper, so I'm never alone. All the enemies come in one way, they'll flee away in 7 ways. It's a fiasco, fiasco. It's a fiasco, fiasco. It's a debacle, debacle. It's a debacle, debacle. Done with this leg, this part. So we're just going to take it to my palm. So while we're waiting for the gum to dry up, I'm gonna say, if you have any questions on this tutorial, you can just leave it down there for me, or you could just send in, or if there's any addition you think I can add to this, you can just give me the ideas and all that. I'm open for ideas, and I'm here to also help, as you are also here to help me. So I think this part is already dry. 15 minutes time, your gum is already set, like more than set. So 10 minutes is the smallest that you can leave your gum before you start gumming.
He's my rock and he's my shield. Now I know that he's my helper, so I'm never alone. Though the enemies come in one way, they'll flee away in 7 ways. It's a fiasco, fiasco. It's a fiasco, fiasco. It's a debacle, debacle. It's a debacle, debacle. Hey, and it's a victory, a victory, a victory, a victory. And it's a victory, a victory, and it's a victory, a victory.
The enemies gather, when them gather round and round, they don't bother me. No, they don't bother me. Even when them scatter fire.
So here, woo, and this baby is set. So this baby is set. If you want a pair of this, you can just slide into my DM on Instagram. My name is Glad City Footwear. You can just reach me there, and you can order for your own. I will deliver at your doorstep within Lagos. And if you want to order out of Lagos, I could still reach out to you through Waving or through DHL and all that. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and trust me, I'm going to bring amazing content to you the next time we meet. So thank you.
It's a victory.